Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 301. If we start with this box, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got a 5 here and a 7 here, so this is our 8. That 7 makes this our 5, 7. For this row, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 7. 3 here, so 9, 3. For this box now, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got a 1 here and a 7 here, so this is our 6. That 7 makes this our 1, 7. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 9. And I don't see any help. So 3, 9, 3, 9. For this column, we're missing 6 and 9. And I don't see any help. So 6, 9, 6, 9. For this column, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got 5 and 8 here, so this is our 4. 5 here, so 8, 5. For this box now, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 here and a 2 here, so this is our 9. That 6 makes this our 2, 6. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 2, 9, 2, 9. For this column, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 4. For this bottom row now, we're missing 3 and 7, and I don't see any help, so 3, 7, 3, 7. For this row, we're missing 4 and 5, and I don't see any help, so 4, 5, 4, 5. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got a 2 here and an 8 here, so this is our 4. That 2 makes this our 8, 2. That 4 makes this our 5, 4. For this row, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 3. 9 here, so 7, 9. That 3 makes this our 9, 3. That 9 makes this our 6, 9. For this box now, we're just missing an 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got 4 and 6 here, so this is our 1. 4 here, so 6, 4. For this box, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. That 3 makes this our 7, 3. For this column now, we're just missing a 1. For this row, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this column, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. That 9 makes this our 2, 9. And for this box, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2 and 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.